Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch Toshiba from 2C CFL to our UB35 series LED kits. Okay, this is 10.4-inch Toshiba. They have two backlight, one mount on top, one mount on bottom. So that's why we use each LED strip to replace the lamp. And this is the drivers. So input the red wire connect to positive 12 to 24 volt. Ground black wire with negative or ground. Alright, let's set aside, take a look screen. This is 10.4-inch. It's Toshiba screen. It's pretty old. LTM10C042. To remove the lamp, the reflector, there's 3 screws on each reflector. You need to remove it. Then to access the lamp, okay? So here, what? We're going to do one side at a time. One more screw on the side. Okay, so just take it out. You see the lamp here? Okay, let me see. See the lamp, right? So basically, you can just take the lamp out. Let me see how it's mounted. Yeah, just put it back. You don't even need to peel it off because the space is almost perfect. So just put it back like this. Make sure the wire comes out this side. You see, nice and tight. Then we're gonna push back this cover. Yep. There we go. Gonna put the screw back, and we're gonna repeat the same procedure on this side. So I just finish this side. I add a piece of tip to it, and this side I just remove the screw. Looks like a slightly different reflector compared to this side. This is just cover, but this one has also band too. But it's okay. Same thing. Take it out, and just put the light back. Oops. Make sure the LED facing the plexiglass, light guiding glass. Okay. So that way. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to put the back cover on. So you just finish it, and this side too. So add a piece of tape. So I have a controller. a LED drive. You can connect to either end. Okay. So connect to it. This one just connect to a 24 volts, 12 or 24 volts. So we are ready to plug in. So I have a controller board here. I can test it. So connect to here. This screen is a 5 volt screen. Supply volt is 5 volt. So I'm gonna fire up my color bar generator and take a look. Let me shut off my. Let me connect to 24 volt. Now I see the brightness. Oh, okay. So I'm going to connect 12 volt to it. Here we go. So the screen's bad. This section was bad. See how easy it is? Thank you for watching.